What's up guys, this is Wajahat Ahmed again here with my new video. In today's video I'll show you how you can remove the dirt or yellowness from your earphones. So as you can see that I have earphones which are pretty dirty and yellowish in color. So I'll use this technique to show you how you can remove it. So things that you need are Colgate toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste. You also need lemon, and I have cut it into two pieces, and then you need a baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So first step is to put lemon in that baking powder, just like that, and then put some toothpaste in it, just a little bit, and the next step is mix the mixture thoroughly. And after mixing it up thoroughly, you'll need tissue paper or piece of cloth. Put some mixture on it and rub it on the dirty cable, just like I'm doing here. Follow these steps. And then you'll need water for cleaning up your earphones. Make sure don't make it so wet because it will affect your earphones. So after doing that, you can see the results. It's pretty much great. You can see that yellowness is gone. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe me.